Listen to the banging inside the house. You can hear it. Don't know if the camera can pick that up, but anyways, it's damn annoying as hell. You're trying to. They're beating inside those steel towers over there at Phoenix Suns. Last week, it was 6:20 in the morning, 7:20 in the morning. It's like, what are they beating upon? It'll wake you up out of a dead sleep early in the morning. It's like, I thought there was a local noise ordinance. But apparently companies can do whatever the hell they want. Phoenix Sun at their finest. Wake everybody up in the neighborhood. Thank you, guys.